Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to toggle anonymous contacts in your CRM. Let's get started. Mautic tracks both your known and anonymous contacts. Known contacts are those that have identifiable parameters such as name or country. Anonymous contacts, in contrast, are those that have engaged with your school but have yet to submit any information. Mautic's contact database automatically shows known contacts, as you can see here. If you want to view anonymous contacts instead, simply click the toggle button in the top right-hand corner. As you can see, these contacts are notated by a number. If you click on a contact's profile, you can view the anonymous contact's engagement with your school in the History menu. If you want to switch back to known contacts, simply navigate back to the contact database and click that button again, and you'll be able to see all of the known contacts. And that's it! Now you know how to toggle between known and anonymous contacts. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section on our webpage at higher-education-marketing.com.